Welcome to Parks Pursuit. Today I'm in Gloss Mountain State Park, Oklahoma. If you haven't already, think about subscribing to my channel. An abundance of gypsum crystals scattered on the slopes shimmer at a distance in sunlight, giving the appearance of glass. On the first map issued in 1873, the region was labeled Glass Mountain. On the next map issued in 1875, the region was relabeled Gloss Mountain, an apparent drafting error. Explorers searching for a trade route to Santa Fe called these colorful formations the Shining Mountains. Until the late 1800s, this region was the hunting domain of such plains tribes as the Apache, Kiowa, and Comanche. Alright, if you enjoyed my video of Gloss Mountain State Park, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel, Parks Pursuit. I'll see you next time. Thank you.